This House of Logic video is a follow-up to a recent couple of videos on the subject of Ollama and DeepSeek. So I've actually now got a physical machine, so this is no longer on a virtualized environment. And what we're going to do is we're going to go through the same commands that we've done previously and actually see how this gets on. So there's probably going to be quite a lot of editing in this video, just to skip through the straightforward commands. But what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go through the Ollama installation exactly the same way as I did on the previous video and set this up. So I will join you on the other end of this. It's worth mentioning that this machine does have a dedicated GPU card. So what I'm expecting it may do, or certainly I'm hoping it will do, is detect this and download the relevant components for it. The previous video was run entirely on a virtual machine which had no such hardware and presented a warning on it. So we may well see that as part of this installation process, but I'm going to be quiet for now and allow this to go through. Okay, so it would appear that Ollama says it's ready and up and running. We are going to go and change some service bindings first of all, which if I just find the details, which consists of doing first of all this, and then at the top of the file adding this, and then reloading the service. Okay, so now what we can do is we can use Postman in order to talk to it, and that is in fact the correct payload, but we can just change the address, and the body should have what we wanted before. Oh, sorry, we've forgotten to pull down the model. We need to go back and do that quickly. So we're going to Ollama pull DeepSeek and the R1 1.5B model, because it's a mere 1.1 gig. Okay, so the model is ready. We will now go back to Postman. It's worth noting here that the graphics card in use on this machine is an AMD Radeon HD 6700 series. You're probably thinking, what a load of old junk. Yeah, it probably is by many standards. It's been in this PC for quite a few years, but it's just what we've got lying around. So let's go and find out, can we get the answer to why is the sky blue, and is it going to take less than a couple of minutes? Let's go. Okay, so that has come back to us, and that has definitely worked. The time taken was a mere 30 seconds. So that is it's a significant improvement, I should say, on the virtual machine with 10 gig of RAM that was tried previously. So yeah, I think that's a bit of a win. I'm going to stop this video at this point, and there'll be a further bonus video where we will set up the actual UI for I think it's Open Web UI, and see how that gets on as well. Okay, thanks very much for watching, and please like and subscribe, and I hope to catch you in the next video. Bye now.